Hello everyone. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make sweet potato masala stir fry. This is a very rare and unique recipe which I am sure you are all going to love. So let us see how to make this awesome preparation. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. So to make this recipe, we have taken half kilo or 500 grams sweet potatoes. Wash them very well and then grease a pan with just very little oil and place the sweet potatoes on it. Cover them with a towel and a lid and let them cook for 30 minutes. We have shown this in detail in our channel, do check it out. And after that, after peeling off the skin, we have chopped them like this. Now let us keep this aside and take a mortar and pestle. Now we have taken 1 teaspoon dhania or coriander seeds, added in 2 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds to it. First let us crush these two coarsely like this. And now we have taken 4 flakes garlic or lasoon. And always remember to chop the garlic or lasoon before crushing them in a mortar and pestle. Otherwise they tend to fly out when they are big pieces. And now we are taking in 1 green chilli and cutting and adding to the masala. Now let us crush all these together. This masala will form the base of our sabji. Our masala is all ready. Keep it aside and now we have heated in a pan and added in 2 tablespoon butter. If you want you can use oil also, but I love the flavor of butter in this particular preparation, and we have added in mustard seeds now 1 teaspoon. When the mustard seeds crackle, we have added in urad dal and red chilies. 1 teaspoon urad dal, 2 teaspoon red chilies and a few curry leaves. And now we are adding in 1 medium size onion which we have chopped fine like this. Give it a stir until the onions turn light brown in color like this. Now let us add in the crushed masala. Give it a stir for about a minute. The masala smells so good. Now add in turmeric powder or haldi, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, some salt. Now we are adding in the sweet potatoes that we have cooked. As I said, do check it out. In our channel, we have taught you how to cook the sweet potatoes without pressure cooker. Now we have stirred for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now let us cover it for a minute. After 1 minute, let's open it. The texture has attained a certain softness. Give it a stir and switch off the flame now and add in just 2 teaspoon lemon juice. Again mix well gently. Wow, doesn't our sabzi look so good? And the sweet potato speciality is that once it is cooked, it lets out an awesome aroma, which is not the case with regular potatoes. Regular potatoes are by and large neutral in taste, but sweet potatoes have a unique aroma. Now let us serve it. You can have this with anything, even with rotis or rice, anything that you want, or just have it as is. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do give it a try and let us have your feedback here. Bye for now.